So it looks like we're going to go here now with the 6200 National class. Cramer Corporation, general construction in both residential and commercial fields.
X10 crop system sponsored four-wheel drive. Running the Sonny, Leonard, Hemi, John T. Davis on the Young Gun.
Just what you said. So we'll see if that makes a difference. It looks like we're going to have a good field of the 7800 Limited Pros too.
We got a good color. We got a good color tractors out there. Red, green, orange, blue.
Oh, yeah.
We might call them the rainbow class.
That's right, the rainbow class.
Gonna tow that left line right down that side. We'll see how it works out for the Chevrolet.
You can have any color you want as long as it's black.
That's right. Oh, a little bit of sparks coming off that clutch area. 283.82.
I believe she went further than he did. Not that there'd be any rivalry or anything.
No rivalry there.
So we'll see how it plays out here tonight.
All right, a young lady doing the driving. Rebecca Brizendine. Remember, we saw Jake move over to the left-hand side, made a run at about a 317. Now, Howard, he's right. They've worked all over the track and figured out if it's going to work for him or not. They moved over to the left-hand side.
They brought this truck back over to the grandstand side of the track, so they're not sure, these competitors, where they want to be. And that'll bring up R.B. Moeller with a Moeller Farms truck here. So an unfortunate turn of events for Daniel Simmons with the Foolish Pleasure truck. And he'll get out to 285.08.
He's high. Tell us a little bit about the truck and who your sponsors are helping you out with this truck this year. I appreciate it. I understand. I hear that in your voice, and I definitely do looking at it here tonight and how you did here tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, Peyton Davis finishing up number